Hey, I'm long-term disability attorney Nancy Cavey, and we are living in absolutely difficult and trying times. I want to reach out and thank everyone who is on the front line, taking care of people who have been diagnosed with the coronavirus and putting their own lives at risk. So a big shout out, a big thank you. I'm getting lots of questions across the United States about the interaction of long-term disability benefits and the CARES Act. Let me first tell you that what I'm about to tell you is my best estimate of what's going to happen. Nobody knows, but based on my experience as an LTD attorney, I'd like to give you the benefit of what I think might happen. And obviously, at this point, it's not legal advice, but it's just my best estimate about what's going to happen. Now, as we know, there is the CARES Act, which has been enacted that will allow Social Security and SSI recipients who are eligible to get a rebate. And many of my LTD clients are on Social Security disability benefits. So I'm first going to talk about this, and then I'm going to talk about the impact of this on your LTD benefits. Everyone is eligible for a full rebate so long as they have a Social Security number and their household incomes aren't too high. The rebate payment starts to phase out at the threshold reaches $75,000 for single filers, $112,500 for head of household, and $150,000 for married filing jointly. Now, this rebate will include Social Security beneficiaries who are getting retirement, disability, survivor, and SSI benefits. I'm not a tax lawyer, so you're going to have to figure out what these income thresholds are for you. What's the amount of the rebate? It's $1,200 per adult and $500 for children under age 17. I'm often asked, how are you going to be paid? Well, you'll be paid automatically by IRS, and checks I think are supposed to be issued as of April 17th with direct deposit, but after that they're going to be issued by snail mail. Now, the question also is whether or not these are going to be considered for means test programs. Getting a rebate is not going to interfere with somebody's eligibility for SSI, SNAP, Medicaid, ACA premium credits, TANF, housing assistance, or other income-related programs. The real issue, I think, for my LTD clients is the concern that this rebate is going to be considered to be income by the LTD carrier, and the carrier is going to say, you're getting money, and we're going to reduce your payments, or you're not eligible at all. And I would say to you, I don't think that's true for a couple of reasons. One, it's not earned income. So if you go and look at a disability policy, many times if we have a residual disability claim, the carrier has a definition of what income is for the purposes of calculating the lost income. And there are no categories for rebates. So my policy construction, strict policy construction, would be that a rebate is not considered earned income for the purposes of residual disability benefits. And the same holds true for the payment of total disability benefits. I don't think a carrier can successfully argue that getting a rebate is the equivalent of having income. So my answer to you is that I don't think that the rebate is going to have any significant impact, if any, on your long-term disability claim. So I hope that relieves your mind. And if you have any questions about your eligibility for LTD benefits or the impact of this on your case, call me at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. I can help you regardless of where you live in the United States to get the LTD benefits you and your family deserve.